Hi, welcome to Vegan Food Storage. We're going to demonstrate how to put on a gamma seal. I talked to you about them before. So this is what the gamma seal is. Looks like a lid. It goes on in one of these buckets. Basically, it's two pieces. It unscrews from this side, so now it's like this. And this is the part that's going to actually go on the bucket. You simply take a rubber mallet, there we go. Come on, and work it around. It's a lot easier when you have a piece of wood that you can like do it, across the back of it. Yeah. You can tell inside that it's holding, that it's going in. There we go. Just a good solid whack. And then it's on. In my family, we're doing green for grains. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next week when we dehydrate some quinoa, hopefully. Have a good day, and really, just start putting food by.